Chirapunjee at the Mawsmai cave. We'll go to the cave and we'll show you how it is. I mean, I have visited this when I was young, but Ajit, it's first time for Ajit. Huh?
Yeah.
So we'll show you guys.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is the cave. We are going in. That's nice. I relived my childhood memory and Ajit saw a cave for the first time. No? That's it for this vlog.
Hope you guys liked our video. Signing off from Chirapunjee. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.
Please hit the thumbs up button if you liked it. And don't forget to
Ring the bell.
Notification bell. And please keep supporting, liking our videos, and if you have any suggestion, please comment down below.